We made it to Tromsø! And it is snowing.
We're currently in Tromsø, Norway, which is within the Arctic Circle.
So we're here in Tromsø, and you can see here, this is where the Arctic Circle is. So 350 kilometres inside the Arctic Circle. Pretty cool, hey?
And we've just witnessed the Northern Lights, which were absolutely unreal.
We found it. We've found the Northern Lights.
Let's see what else we get up to in Tromsø.
Today is the day we're going to try reindeer hot dogs. Well, I am. Caitlin's going to have a vegetarian hot dog, I think. It's currently not snowing, which is good. It was bucking down there earlier before, so we've just been hanging out here in the unit, and now we're going to go out and see what we can find. Let's do it. We have received the reindeer hot dog. Well, it's actually got beef in it as well. We'll see what it tastes like.
Good?
Yeah, pretty good.
What's it taste like?
It tastes like, I don't know, it just tastes like meat.
We got a vegan one here.
Good day to be out, eh? Even though it's 1 degree. But we will enjoy our sausages for now, as it starts snowing again. Today's the day we're going to go dog sledding.
Woo.
It's snowing outside, pretty cold. But we'll see how we go. Should be lots of fun.
3 layers on everywhere.
Got plenty of layers on, so we're all kitted up, ready for action.
Let's go.
It's a good day for snow dogging. What are these conditions? Oh. Have a go at this walking track. How's it going, Kaitlan?
Good, good. It's chilly.
Good conditions, eh?
Perfect.
Perfect. It's snowing, it's a white out, and it's flippin' cold. We're actually in the middle of nowhere. Let's do this. Here are the dogs. Yes. Oh, you like that? Very placid. They're ready to go. They know what's about to happen. This guy's already on me. It's go time. Caitlin's my passenger. I'm steering this thing. We're ready to go.
Let's go! Hup, 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 hup. Across this bridge. How cute. Are you helping them?
Dogs aren't doing much at the moment. I'm running up
Are you
the hill.
running up there?
So we're going along. Dogs pulling us along, and it's actually a lot harder work than you think. A lot of helping the dogs up the hill. I'm puffed. I'm sweating under
check
here.
out this view though.
Have a go at the view. The snow is fresh, powdery, and deep. So we keep getting bogged. I'm trying to stop the thing from rolling. But having a good old time. It's Caitlin's turn to do the driving. How does it feel, Caitlin? I got my little friend here. Hello. How's it going? We are somewhere in the Norwegian wilderness. And we're back. What do you think, Caitlin?
It was great. It was freezing. That was good.
Pretty good, eh?
Yeah.
Snowing the whole time, but definitely worthwhile, eh? Well, we've just finished our dogging tour, snow dogging tour,
Dogging.
and now it's time to say goodbye to the dogs. It's snowing out there. Very good experience, highly recommend. What's so funny?
Good.
This is just fluff.
Oh, you guys done? Oh, such unsteady footage. Whoosh. Oh, I got smoke in my eyes.
Oh, smoky eyes. Oh, it's snowing hard now.